Merhaba. Merhaba. Evet. Evet arkadaşlar. Eee, Ben ne trader'cıyım ne bir halt yaptığımı bildiğim bir şey var. Bir şey bilmiyorum şu anda. Öğrenmeye çalışıyorum. I'm trying to learn. Uh, I don't have any kind of experience to give you any kind of financial advice for you to take a trade. I don't know either. I'm learning here and I'm trying to document my process. That's all. If you're trying to learn how to read price action. Do I know how to read it? Absolutely not. I don't. But recently I started watching, you know who, ICD, good old ICD, ICT. And best thing about that one is that I stuck with him, honestly. I knew there was a knowledge, like a misinformation. Everyone has been spreading misinformation online. I'm like, okay, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? How can I learn? How can I learn? And I came across to this guy. I like the way he teaches, and I start learning and watching, and I realize why not record it when I'm reading price action. Guys, we are not taking trades. I'm not pushing buttons. Not even a demo. I'm not buying nor selling. I'm just reading the price action. So what we do is we are gonna mark the opening price. So there is no gap in between these two. I don't see anything. So what we do is we go to 6 p.m. opening price. What is opening price or closing price? 6 p.m. opening price 2241.75. For 75 right there. Click this one. Let's change its name. Next. September 26. New day open price because there's no gap. It's the price, open price. I'll do this. I'll probably style black. Let's do this. What ICT tells us is after 7 a.m., which is opening, you look for equal highs or equal lows to be formed. We start from here. I'm gonna take the, let's get this. Okay, so this is the opening, right? This is 7 a.m. and it goes all the way here. I want you to see it. What is that? This is the initial high. You don't need this. I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna say next initial high. Alright, okay. And then we go down, alright, not there. Initial. And this is an initial sell sign. Initial sell sign, and this time is gonna be this right there. Alright. Okay. We are here right now. We're looking at this candle right now. Don't look at right there, just read it. What happened with the candle? It came. Is there any fair value gap? Not that I know fair value gaps all covered, but as much as I know, comes here. So it dips. Alright. Trying to reach out. Come back. What is this? These are equal lows, relative equal lows right there. I wanna maybe do this a little. I don't know if this gonna help or not, but we can always make it happen. This is one. What are these? When it comes to buy stops. The thing is that they are buy stops. Yes, they are. Perfect. Buy stops. With equal lows, what is there? What is it? I think that's a value gap. Let's see what is it. What does it do? What does it do? That's the middle line. Is the 50% of the fair value gap is something that I cannot pronounce. But deal with me. It's CE, midpoint. Just think that way. All right. Let's see. So that's the thing, though. Is this included as a gap or is it already balanced there? Don't know. What we're gonna do is we can see. All right. Price went up right there. We have low here. Let's say we're here. Okay? We're just looking at here. We're in this candle right now forming. Think about it. All right. Trying to go. If you wanted to go up there and take these highs up, this high, this fair value gap right there, you see, we wouldn't want it to trade it back into. You would like to dip, but it didn't do that. What it do? Trade it back into it. Trade another low. Now we are on this side. So where is the drawn liquidity? Where is the liquidity? Like where is the equal highs? Where are the sell stops are resting? Right there. We're here, down here, we did there. Right there. We're here. Double equal lows. Relative equal lows is right there. As much as I learn, I am repeating again. I do not know how to read price action. I don't. I'm learning. It's been a month, I believe, since I started watching him. But I watch like 10 hours a day. So let's see. Okay, it dips into it. Is there another one? Yes, yes, yes. So this is the thing. When you have buy side imbalance and sell side inefficiency, is busy. And it's not my word, it's his words. I didn't name it. Buy side inefficiency, no, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So we only look through BCs when we are bullish. We don't need it unless they're reversed. That's something else. There's BC right there. So came down here. And where is my target? My target is right there. And I'm looking a way to get up there. There's one fair value gap right here. Goes up, came in it. I want this to push the price up. That's my fair value gap. They already worked it out. Trades up, trades back up, comes in. I do not think liquidity here because this side we don't see it. We don't see it that way. Goes down here. And you see there is another fair value gap, and this is a SIBI. Click here. So how ICT teaches is if there's a gap here, if I learned correctly, if I didn't if understood correctly, that's the gap. It's not overriding. This nut is overriding. So does that mean I'm supposed to take all this as a fair value gap? If that's the case, trace it back in, midpoint, 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 midpoint. That's the case. So, you know what would this tell me? It doesn't want to go in. It doesn't want to go in. Even if you don't take that, and you might be wrong, I might be wrong too. I don't know, but I just wanna show you the way I think. Is right here, right? We trick them over there with the price, with their buy orders. They're in it right there. And then they dumped it. They dump it. They go down. That's a fake liquidity grab, I would like to say. We're going down right there. It's not overriding. This is not overriding either, but the VIG is. I don't know if this is included or not. I'm not sure. But how can I proceed with this? So it traded back in. That's good. And then we traded back in the halfway. Good. Another halfway. Whoop. We're working this fair value gap. If we wanted to go down and be bearish, this fair value gap, we shouldn't be. We shouldn't be, because is it here? Did it fill it out? No, it ran away. Now it's filling out. That means we're not gonna run. I don't think we're gonna run. That's what I would like to think so, because that's what CT teaches. It says we don't want it to still see the fair value gaps fill out. We don't. For that reason, it fills up, it fills up, it fills up. Okay, I don't see anything in this one. And what I have is here. Okay, we took this equal loads and made it. It's going up. Is there anywhere here value gap? There is one. Doesn't matter. There is one right there. That's a whoop, 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 whoop. It's a buy side imbalance, high side inefficiency. This is a fair value gap, right? Is it filled out? No, it's keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running. There is another one right there. They're just marking the fair value gaps that I see, regardless of they work or not. Okay, just I would like to do it. I want to see them. There's one fair value gap right there. You see, because this is not giving you any entry point, did it? No, I don't see any entry points. No. Okay, the price goes up. It's back in. What do I want to do? This one. So do with anything with it? I mean, it's a fair value gap. Okay, I wanna be able to trade thing as a busy. Blue one as a busy. So if I wanna think as a busy, then it's a downfall three corners. We want it to be go over, trade back in, and then go. That's what I listen. That's what I remember. So if I wanna read it that way, and if I wanna look at that way, what happens here? All right, we're going. We took that high up. We took that high up. We're here. When we are here, where is this? Where is liquidity? Show you. We're here. Don't think about this part on the side yet. We're right there. What is the high? The first high, second high, and third high. Right? Perfect. Meanwhile, this is our 5-minute charts. Just right there. Just seeing if there's anything below or above that we have. No, we don't. All right. Trace it. Comes back. It doesn't even trade back in. All right. Trace it. Goes up. Talking about this fair value gap right there. Trace it up. And where is the open of this candle? Open of the candle. 20,490.75. Okay. Opens. Trades. Comes back in. And we're done. Right? Because this is the high. It even took the high. Short the left short. This is the one. And also, what I saw is just, hold on. Yep, there is another one right there. Alright, let's take that one. I do see another one right there. And I'm sure. What is it? That is a fair value gap, right? Okay. But we worked on it there. What happens there? Tick goes, is above, coming, it doesn't touch it. Does it touch the conscious midpoint? No, it doesn't. It's short slow, couldn't take this high. That is open, 20,489. We open back here, boom. Traded take low out. And we came back here. What is this low? 20,492. 492.75. See, I'm not ICT. I don't know. But this seems like a Bull block, reaction block, something like that. I don't know what it is. I don't know. And I don't want to make a comment about it, and I'm not a trader. So I'm just reading, trying to read, see. Goes up and takes the high out, reaches to the up, and trades back in. Where you're trading back into. And there is another fair value gap. I just want to look at it. Let's see what's happening. Okay. And let's trade it. This accumulation, didn't do any accumulation. What happens with the downside? Trade it in, and it breaks. Yes. And there is also that one right there. Okay. I'm not saying take a trade, push the button. No, I'm not pushing because I don't know. I'm trying to learn here. Okay, breaks. There's gap. But take that gap is it. I'm gonna take it. Take it as a trace it. Okay, goes down. Whoop. Okay. When there is this form, we already have fair value gap. Okay. You're watching this candle. What happens? This candle is opens at what? What's your open? 494.50. 494.50. Okay, you open here, trade it, cautious use corner, and then damage. Let's go. Where? To where the text? Right there. Do you think there's a 50% of the whole run up? You can see from here to there. You run up there, trade it down to mid cushion. I'm just looking and reading. But trade it back in. Run. You're not running out of me. And again. Trade back in. Do anything what I just like. Went up right there. Okay. That's a very well. Yeah. Trade it up. It reaches. No, it doesn't take the high out. This is the high. Doesn't take the high out. Does it? No. No. There is another one right there. And it's breaking down 1, 2, and 3 right here. Boom. Finally getting red. Style red. What I'm doing is I'm just marking every single fair value gap I see, and I see if that's fair value gap is a valid one, I believe, because I don't know which one is which yet. Learning though. So what's happening here? You're breaking down from here, you break, came here again. You traded, which below. We go back up, and this is look at the bodies. You know what ICT says? ICT says the base will do the damage. Look at the bodies. Doesn't even go to kosher midpoint. What does that mean? That means it's weak. It's gonna dip, or it's strong to the downside. We don't really want to carry. That breaks it. I want where we are. We are here right now, right? We did this. We took the low out. Took the low out. Traded back in. Traded back in. Not going back in. Goes all the way up there. It's not going in. All right, this is what happens. Why is this doing this? Is this acclamation? Is that acclamation? So it's 8 a.m. 1 hour right now. It started, right? Right here, right now. Think you're right here, okay? What do you have? Is it equal signs? Equal signs on here, because you're here, right? You haven't took anything below here, right? And you reach there, you're coming down. I go down. Breaks right there. What time is it? It's 8 a.m. And when it's breaking with the fair value gaps all around. I just wanna come up. Is there? Yeah, maybe. Oh, I just wanna do it. Breaking. But after this, you're gonna say, how long is it gonna go? How am I supposed to know how long this should go? We start at 7 a.m., right? Zoom out, you look to the left to the dawn. This is the first side, it takes it. What is the other side? It's right here. 2467.5 takes it. No, there's another low. It's it. It doesn't hit. Okay? This now it didn't hit yet. So this is the previous. previous 7 a.m. low. And up. Alright, perfect. That's the 7 a.m. low. And it doesn't hit there, it goes back up. Which means it left liquidity here. Alright, let's see. I'm just marking every single tuck. Breaking. What's happening now? Where we at? What is it? What's happening right now? Right here. Okay. Right here. Don't see that. Don't see the right side of the screen. Okay. Don't look at that screen right there because it's not printed yet. Right here. What kind of liquidity did I attack yet? Price stops, initial sell side liquidity. Because from here we attacked there. Equal lows. These were the equal lows that we were attacking. 2. Attacked it, took it out. Alright. So where is the liquidity that is resting right now? Is it here? Is it right there? No. Here. See? It's right here because we came all the way down here. What we did is equal lows, equal highs. These are relative equal highs in my eye. My goal is right there. In order to go there, that should be one of my setups, which I don't know yet. What actually my setup is. I usually trade fair value gaps. Have I trade real money? Not yet. I don't want to. Not yet. I'm not ready yet. I will be. I'm learning. What happens? Okay. Here we go. We're going up. Are we going up now? Wait on. Right there. See. Alright. 10 years old. Click on that. Delete it. And delete it. It was just right there. Okay, we're going up. There is. Here, isn't this a fair value gap? What is it? Is it BC or CB? BC or CB? You tell me. It is a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. There is no sell side. We do this, right? Okay. When I see this ad, we don't want fair value gaps to be filled in if you want to expect a run, right? Is it filled out? No, just trade back up again. Is there a fair value gap right there? What would you say? What I think is there is a gap right there. That is a gap, I believe. Because there is no buy side offered, right? Right there. The price hasn't offered buy side on this, right? Poof. All right, we go up. Trading, we go up. Our goal is up there. We want to see strength. How good you want to go. Don't look at the right side. We haven't seen that side. All right. What happens is take side now. Trades it back into it. Goes up. Goes over. Comes all the way here. Trades into it. Accumulation. I was like, it's just balancing that gap right there. And poof. We're up. Up right there. There's another one. Another one. See, this is the bodies. Make this difficult one. It head and we go. See, it head the caution. Boom. Ooh, okay. And we took the high. We took the first high right there because that was when you're coming down. You here. Where's the first high? The high here. There. Right, and you took that high out, traded back into the fair value gap, I went down there, Wigs are gonna be the one doing the damage, right? All right. Where is the body? It goes up, it goes in, takes low down. I believe it's the beginning. Trace back in. This one. See, the bodies are respecting because they're conscious. Heads. Ooh, another. Look, whenever it hit midpoint right there, it's a big move. Same in here. Heads. Whoop, we move. It's another buy side BC. Okay. That's fine. We're going up. But where are we going up? Where are we at right now? We are right here. Right? No. They just traded up there. And we're here. Where is the target? Oh, this liquidity is right there. Look, trade opens. Okay, so right there opens up, trades, perfect. Other trades, perfect. Perfect. Goes pushed. What time is it now? 8:30. What is it? Took. You see, this is a fair value gap right there, right? This is a fair value gap between, because there is this candle middle between these levels right here which is this, hasn't been offered in the sell side, the buy side, or offered the sell side, so there's an imbalance. It's a BC, and we don't want these to filled up. We don't want to see fair value gaps filled up if we're expecting a run, okay? Which we don't see any. What happens? We take the high out, right? What was our high? This was, we took it out. After taking it out, see? Going down. And what time is it? It's 8:30. It's amount of time. Where is it traded to? Look at the beautiful gap. Trades it right in the conscious midpoint. Promise I'm gonna learn how to say it. Trade it back in the midpoint. Alright? When you trade it back in the midpoint, right there. Okay, you traded it. Where is the money? What did you do right now? Put that right there. Oh, we're over here. Are we gonna go grab that back up? Don't know. I don't know. There's a price, but I do know took the buy side to sell side, right? Look, 7 a.m. right? Right there. Okay, 7 a.m. This is the 7 a.m. starting. We started initial buy side. What happened? We dipped. We took the sell side out. And we pop. The buy side out. So both sides are out. At that point, excuse me. We come here. Let's see. Quite a bit. Something. And that goes back into where? Is it 9:30? 9:30. Other than affecting anything, I don't know. Let's like this. As I said, I am not an expert. I'm learning. God, I can use this one. What happened is, oh, here we go. That's what it is. Oh. Depth here, right? We're in the middle right now. Traded. Okay. As I said, you said we don't want the fair value gap to be filled up, right? Just to fill and go. But that doesn't mean it's an initial run like these ones. Okay. So I don't want to do this, because I can actually trace back in there. And I also want to mark that one right there, because before explaining the red one, I just want to go with the green one. Dip. What kind of fair value is this? A fair value gap is this. This is SIBI, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Okay, so this is our red color one. The red color one, but hey, I'm going down. You don't want to look like this, then we're going up. Unless it turns into trades above and come back and goes, that turns this fair value gap, inversion fair value gap. What are we doing here? Okay, and what time is it? It's 8:40. We're all run away from the opening, right? Yes. Alright, I have to close the door. What happens? 41. The dip. Okay, we're going down. I'm going to take this low out. We might. We're going down. No, trade it back in. Alright, trade it over. Alright, trade it over. Took those highs out. Alright, you took those highs out. Trade it back in. Right there. That's the inversion fair value gap. That's what I learned from ICT. I'm not an ICT. I'm not a trader. I don't know how to trade. I'm learning. I'm documenting while I'm learning. Let's do this a little bit like that. The perfect bit. Okay. What happens is, boom, trades back in. Does it go to mid-level right there? No. Trades. Okay, it doesn't go. 7 more. Boom, 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 boom. So now it's breaking the upside. But where are you gonna break the upside to? And there is nothing. Up. There's a fair value gap. There's a fair value gap. I wanna have this one because this is the one that took these highs out, and this is no conversion value. Yeah, this is basic buy side imbalance value inefficiency. So is it okay? We go here. Oh, but it doesn't also trade. Even touch. It doesn't even touch. It's gonna take this fucking high out. Gonna take this out. Yep. Then goes up, takes this high out right there. What happens after it takes it out? There are no fair value gaps. Not at all. Taking a little bit longer. Okay, so it's 9 to L. We're going up and cut up. Going high and a high, but we don't have anything on the top of the chart for me to be able to. It's rolling down to there because of should be 15 minutes one, because when you go on my 15-minute chart, I have these NIV day opening gaps, NIV week opening gaps, drawn liquidities and everything. But on the upper side, I do not know. I don't know what side. Like, there is none over here because all-time high. For that reason, okay. Come back to the 1 minute one. As you see, the fair value gap is not being filled by the wicks. What does that mean? That means it's strong. It's gonna go up. It's strong. It's gonna go up. Goes up. Put it right there. This is a fair value gap. I don't know. If you guys know, because have, you probably are better than me anyway. So help me out here. Is this is right there? This is a fair value gap. I don't know. Is it? Help me out here. Spit that out. We're going up. We're still up. Oh, where's the breaking down coming? Why is it breaking down from here? Okay, when I'm up that place, we can say here a high. relative cool highs. Okay, boom, boom. All right, we do this. Takes. Oh, okay. So what time is it? 9:30, 9:15. That's a 9:30 valve. That's a 9:30 valve right there. What I can do is I don't know if I wanna. I haven't practiced on this one that he showed us, ICT. What it is opening range gap, if I'm not saying wrong, which is, okay, so where did we close? Right there, right? September 14, closing price is 20,238, 238.75, 238.75. 238. Open, close. This one's open. What is open? 20,503. Five or 325. Isn't that the gap? Yeah, this is the gap. Right, something about this is a gap on a regular trading hours from range gap. And what he said is 75% of the time price track backs or goes to 50% of the gap to fill. What we do is we go back to 8.3 hours, okay? All right. That was our gap, okay? This is our gap. There is a 930 opening gap. It's right there. This is 930. We open right here, but all this place in here. This green area is opening gap. And the 50% of the gap is right here. Okay? 50% of the gap right there. Is it? It fills up the whole gap right there. Gaps it filled up. Why? I said I don't know why, but that's what happens every morning. The 9:30. You can turn it to regular trading hours. This is 9:31, and after that is the first fair value gap that forms. See right there. I delete that one. Initial sell side, initial. On a regular trading hours. Okay. I want to do this. Do I have this right? It's 9:31. Okay. We go back here. This is 9:30, 9:31. We have that. All right. So that is a fair value gap right here. It's the first fair value gap. First one that forms. What happens? Does it even touch the midpoint? No, it doesn't. Whoop, dips. There's a dip. Filling out the gap. I want to show you. This is the gap, right? Okay. The seam. So from here, filled up the whole gap. I want to just, yeah, and because that's not it. Okay, gap is right here. There's a gap. Other than third, right? Feels. Oh, evet gençler. Alright guys, I might have spoken English and Turkish and some other noises I might have made. This is the first ever live streaming, and I'm not a trader. I never made any money from trade, and I'm telling you, I haven't. I don't have any kind of profit goal. I don't. I'm trying to learn. I enjoy it, and I enjoy watching ICT. The way he talks about the stuff that you're supposed to be able to control yourself before you make money out of it. That is correct. And I'm trying to control myself by just reading price action every day. And for today, that's be it. Because I'm done with it. I'm tired. I'm not an ICT, not a professor. Candles are tiring my eyes. Yes, I'm a young guy, but it's still tiring. If you watch and enjoy, and if you have any recommendations, if you know, and if you're still learning, you're learning too, you can help each other. I can help you, can help me. Just don't be a dick. Other than that, be safe. Enjoy your day. I'll see you guys